Okay, yeah, I think among the gist of what Admin has mentioned just now, the gist of the matter was about nepotism and making things correct, keadilan and that kind of stuff. But I think of all the party that is around now, I think keadilan is quite dynamic in the sense that we are able to voice our differences and opinions, you know. But however, there are certain things that still has to be improved in terms of decision making, where we should be more open and discuss more openly and thrash it out in a more objective manner, rather than trying to sweep matters under the carpet. And it will not be good for us. Yeah. So this is what we hope to happen in the coming practice of the party, so that we become a more progressive, a more developed party, and a stronger party.
Do you think that opposition Ketua Umum Anwar Ibrahim how he will take, will it be a blow to him, will he be upset, or do you think he will take it in the right?
No, I don't think Anwar is being a very open leader. I think that's why he's being appointed to be the chief, the Ketua Pembangkang, the Ketua Umum for the three parties. The fact that he's very open and he's can take up criticism, and I believe what has been statement just now will make him try to improve further, the management of the party and the process of the party. So Azmin has really stated just now that it is not a matter of who becoming the MD, but what we have the best person. So that is the issue. So then the process of selection, that is the concern. Okay? So as far as it's concerned, whoever becomes the MD, it will not affect his position of the party. He will still be the struggle, and he will still lead the party as the deputy president as of now. Yeah, and a lot of party grassroots and leadership also is in agreement with him. It's just that how do we tackle this situation, because it becomes very tricky, because there is party internal matters, there's also the public perception that we have to deal with. So there's certain things that we cannot set out to the public, because it might affect some people credibility and that kind of thing. So these are the things that we have to balance, and we hope the public can understand this and do not simply accuse of certain individuals, certain parties that they are being selfish. Because there's more to this than what is the eye.